Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, February 4th, and I am so happy because of Palantir. Palantir just went crazy last night with the earnings. I bought Palantir at $68, and now it hit a high last night of 104, and that would have been great, but I can't trade after hours. So here's my count on Palantir for short term count: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. I don't think it will not go above 120. It will not go above 120. My take profit area for Palantir is 109. If I got 109, I would be the happiest girl on the planet, and that's what I'm hoping for. So I'm very happy this morning. And here is Qubits. I bought Qubits at $5.70. Qubits, okay, I want to say that this I think is just that this, see this down move here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is either A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know which. So my take profit on Qubits is $8. Now look at this. This is interesting. It appears as though there's 5 waves moves from this low to this low. And then this is very clearly A, B, C, right? Clearly 3-wave move. Now, this is this is fascinating to me. So you have this move here, right? Then you have A, B, C. Then you have this up move here. Then if you scroll out, it's A, B, C. If you do a lower time thing, and then you have 5 waves move here. So 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. This looks like a leading diagonal. This looks like wave 2 that didn't take out that low, which is great. And now we're going up. I think that qubits will go up to, above here, $7.33. I'm thinking that if Palantir has a good day today and qubits doesn't totally take off, then maybe I move the money from Palantir into qubits. It's a bit risky, and I haven't totally made up my mind on this. I own qubits at 570, but it's a very small position. It's half the size of my Palantir position. So this is what I'm debating because this could be a very nice trade. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might get 740. That could be really nice. My other option is to buy Tesla with my Palantir profits. I don't know. Surprisingly, it's actually better to pay a higher price for a stock that's guaranteed to break out than it is to buy it low. So you can kind of see this trend line here. This should all be a 4th wave, by the way. This should all be a 4th wave. This is like ABC, ABC, and this is some messed up thing that is not completed. Maybe it is better to wait to buy Tesla above on a break of this trend line. At least then you can be a little safer, right? A little safer. Feel like you're not wasting time. I don't have much to say on MSTR. It's just in this 4th wave, exactly like Tesla. It's either going to go up or it's just going to keep going sideways. Here's the thing. We need to take out 6040 to the upside to keep going up on the S&P. I don't like the fact that we dipped so badly last night on the China tariff news and all this going back and forth. Here's the thing, guys. If for some reason I end up being correct and the market goes up and we go to say 6,200, I believe that we have to be so very, very, very careful, because if we don't crash now over the tariffs, we will crash in a few weeks. So this either turns into wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we keep going down to 5,500 to 5,650, right? We either go to 5,500 to 5,650 now, on the news now, or we make new highs above 6,200 and then we go down to 5,500. Take your pick. Take your pick. It's gonna happen. I obviously have all these stocks long. I want them to go up, so I want the market to go up. I do not own a margin position in the S&P right now. You can go long at 6040, but once again, I'm not trading margin in the S&P precisely because we know the big dip is coming. If it's not already here, if we're not already in it right now, it is coming. That's all I have to say.